Have you ever pondered the possibility that your thoughts could shape the very fabric of the universe? Prepare to expand your mind as we delve into the intriguing concept of quantum manifestation, where the principles of quantum mechanics intersect with the power of consciousness to unlock extraordinary potentials. Let's dive in. Quantum manifestation is a concept that builds upon the principles of quantum mechanics to explain how thoughts, beliefs, and intentions can influence the physical world. While traditional views of manifestation often focus on mental techniques or affirmations to achieve desired outcomes, quantum manifestation takes this idea a step further by suggesting that consciousness itself has the power to shape reality at the quantum level. To grasp quantum manifestation, it's crucial to understand the basics of quantum mechanics. At the quantum level, particles exhibit properties such as superposition, where they can exist in multiple states simultaneously, and entanglement, where the state of one particle is correlated with the state of another, regardless of distance. Additionally, the act of observation or measurement in the quantum realm influences the behavior of particles, leading to the collapse of the wave function and the emergence of a definite reality. In quantum manifestation, consciousness plays a central role. Advocates of this concept propose that the observer's consciousness interacts with the quantum field, influencing the outcome of quantum events. This idea aligns with experiments such as the double-slit experiment, where the behavior of particles changes depending on whether they are observed or not. Quantum manifestation suggests that our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions can act as observers, collapsing the quantum wave function and bringing about the reality we desire. According to the principles of quantum manifestation, our intentions and beliefs shape the quantum field, guiding the manifestation process. By focusing our thoughts on a specific outcome and aligning our beliefs with the desired reality, we can effectively program the quantum field to bring about the desired result. This concept draws parallels with practices such as visualization, positive thinking, and affirmations, but it extends beyond mere psychological techniques to invoke the fundamental influence of consciousness on the quantum level. Quantum manifestation also highlights the non-local nature of consciousness, suggesting that our thoughts and intentions are not confined to our physical bodies, but extend beyond space and time. This idea aligns with the concept of non-locality in quantum physics, where particles can be instantaneously connected regardless of distance. From this perspective, our intentions have the potential to influence events and circumstances beyond our immediate surroundings, tapping into a universal field of interconnectedness. While quantum manifestation offers an intriguing perspective on the relationship between consciousness and reality, it's essential to approach it with a critical eye. Skeptics argue that the concept lacks empirical evidence and scientific validation, veering into the realm of pseudoscience. Furthermore, some critics caution against oversimplifying complex quantum phenomena and reducing them to metaphysical explanations. As with any concept that blends science and spirituality, it's important to maintain a balance between open-minded exploration and rigorous skepticism. Amit Goswami, a theoretical physicist known for his work in quantum mechanics and consciousness, has contributed significantly to the understanding of quantum manifestation. Building upon the foundations of quantum physics, Goswami's ideas offer a unique perspective on how consciousness influences reality at the quantum level. Goswami's vision of quantum manifestation extends beyond traditional views of manifestation by integrating quantum principles with consciousness studies. He proposes that consciousness is not merely a passive observer, but an active participant in the manifestation process. Drawing from quantum mechanics, Goswami suggests that our thoughts and intentions interact with the quantum field, influencing the probability of specific outcomes. Central to Goswami's framework is the concept of quantum consciousness, which posits that consciousness plays a fundamental role in the collapse of the quantum wave function. According to Goswami, the observer's consciousness interacts with the quantum field, collapsing the wave function and determining the outcome of quantum events. In the context of manifestation, this implies that our intentions and beliefs can shape the quantum field, guiding the manifestation process towards desired outcomes. Goswami's ideas also emphasize the non-local nature of consciousness, suggesting that our thoughts and intentions are not bound by space and time. This aligns with the concept of non-locality in quantum physics, where particles can be instantaneously connected regardless of distance. From this perspective, our intentions have the potential to influence events and circumstances beyond our immediate surroundings, tapping into a universal field of interconnectedness. While Goswami's theories offer a compelling synthesis of quantum mechanics and consciousness, they are not without criticism. Skeptics argue that his ideas lack empirical evidence and scientific rigor, straying into the realm of metaphysics. Additionally, some critics caution against oversimplifying complex quantum phenomena and reducing them to subjective interpretations. In conclusion, Amit Goswami's contribution to quantum manifestation offers a thought-provoking perspective on the relationship between consciousness and reality. By integrating quantum principles with consciousness studies, Goswami invites us to explore the profound implications of our thoughts and intentions in shaping the world around us. His work represents a radical paradigm shift in how we understand the nature of reality, suggesting that our consciousness plays a fundamental role in shaping our experiences. Whether one embraces his ideas as a transformative framework for personal growth or approaches them with skepticism, Goswami's work continues to inspire dialogue and exploration at the forefront of science and spirituality. Quantum manifestation, with its fusion of quantum mechanics and consciousness, challenges conventional views and invites us to reconsider the power of our thoughts and intentions in shaping our reality. Despite sparking debate and controversy within the scientific community, this concept invites us to explore the profound implications of consciousness in shaping our experience of reality. Whether one sees it as a transformative tool for personal growth or approaches it with skepticism, quantum manifestation continues to inspire curiosity and exploration at the intersection of science and spirituality. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening odyssey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating explorations of science, spirituality, and the infinite wonders of existence. Until we meet again, may your thoughts illuminate the path to your deepest truths. Stay curious, my friends.